letters of invitation to the prospective partners. We are pleased to acknowledge the following partners who have already rendered their service and support to our school community. Okay, Agusan Barangay Council, headed by our dedicated and dynamic Barangay Captain, Andrew E. Melieza, Barangay Agusan SK Council, Z-Eyes, 4th Cavalry, Company Armor Division, River of Life. Nabang taga River of Life? Kaway-kaway naman mga taga River of Life. Yeah, a round of applause for them. Salamat tayo sa inyong support. City Engineers, nabay taga City Engineers? Wala. Okay. In addition, we also invited the following institutions and establishments to join us: the Christian Samaritan, Puerto Police Station, Abocalicious, FB Budgetel, Gentech, Pepsi Cola, COC, Iligan Computer Institute, Purple Yam, Cafe Barako, PhilCap, King of Zion, and Brew Cafe. We are continuously seeking more partners. So if you are willing to be part of this mission, feel free to approach Ms. Alma Batukan so we can accommodate you. Thank you for your support. Good morning, everyone.
Thank you so much, Doc Aimia. And now, moving on.